everyone, my name is Benham. I have been a holistic health practitioner for over 40 years, can you imagine? And I've been a teacher for over 35 years. I've been teaching mainly in Canada, but now live in the Netherlands. And today I'm going to share with you a simple skincare routine that I have used myself all my life. And I like to keep things KISS. Keep it stupid simple. So let's begin. A good skincare routine starts with cleansing. And I use this formula that I have used for the last 30 years on my skin that works really well on dry skin, oily skin and sensitive skin. It's made from emulsifying wax, fractionated coconut oil, rose water, distilled water, and contains the essential oils of geranium and lavender. So for the cleanse, we start with the eyes. We're going to take a piece of cotton wool, pump a little bit of cleanser onto the pad, and then we're going to start by cleansing, starting from the outside the temple, across the eyelid, up over the eyebrow and under, up, cross, up, under, up and over. The other side, notice I'm using the other side of the pad, again, cross, up, under, cross, up, under. So I'm actually going across the eye, of the eyelid, over the eyebrow and under and up. Over the eyelid, up the eyebrow and under and finishing at the temple. Using the same cotton wool, I'm going to just clean my mouth and the lipstick. Then I'm going to get 2 pieces of cotton wool and pump some cleanser into that to cleanse the face. So I'm going to clean the neck first, just using up and down motion. And then for the face, we go out, out, out and up, out and up, down the nose, up, out, out, round and down the nose, finishing up with the neck again. And you would do that twice. After cleansing, we tone the face. This toner contains, again, very simple ingredients. Cucumber water, which I distill myself, rose water, witch hazel, and contains the essential oils of geranium and lavender. So how we use it, we simply spritz a cotton pad or 2, and again tone the neck up and down, out on the temple, forehead, down on the nose, up on the face, at the eyes, exactly the same technique as the cleansing, in, up, over, for the side, in, up, over. After cleansing and toning, most people moisturize. Frankly, at night, I don't use any moisturiser. I just cleanse and I tone, and then I go to sleep. In the mornings, however, I assess my skin. Is it a little loose? I am getting older after all, especially around my eyes. Or is it dry? If it's a little loose and I can feel the skin is a little crepey, then I use this gel. It's a mixture of algae, seaweed, hyaluronic acid, and then I've got some special essential oils that tighten the skin, such as frankincense and cypress. Take a little bit of the gel, put it in the palm of my hand. Notice I didn't dip my fingers in the jar. Warm it up. Make sure I've got a little bit on my fingers. And then just place a little on the eye. Around the eye. The rest, sweep it over the face, massage it in. It is very sticky on the skin at the beginning. And of course, especially the neck, very important. If my skin is dry, then I use the cream. I also have a product of my own line, which is Rejuvenating Eye Serum, which has specifically got the gel mixed with a lotion, which goes on really well around the eyes. It's also slightly coloured with violet, so it helps to hide any shadows around the eyes. That's my simple skincare routine. So to do a recap on this simple skincare routine, keep it stupid simple. We cleansed, we toned, and at night time that's all we did. In the morning, cleanse, tone, and depending on your skin and what conditions you might have, whether it be dry or a little bit older, use a gel or a lotion. I do have recipes for these products now in 2 of my books, The Creamy Craft of Cosmetic Making with Essentials and Their Friends, and also the Baby Boomers Beauty Bible. I do hope you enjoyed this little podcast. Thank you for listening.